we were very emotional and very close together. And I remember one particular a demonstration that we had. It might have been about Saeed Rahman. And I think it was the biggest demonstration that was organized on immigration case. I'm pretty certain it was about Saeed Rahman. I can't remember any other big campaign that we. And when we came into the city centre, I can never forget the immense shouting and echoing of all the Asians and all the youth together. And there must have been about 3,000 people there. And that was the biggest, like I say, that was the first stepping stone of the campaigns. And there was a lot of aggression that was shown in that demonstration. And we felt we have achieved something by organizing this, and the fact that we've made an impact on the campaign, and yes, it has been worthwhile, our organization doing something. And that I think that was the first one that was majorly organized, and which showed, yes, there is backing for this Asian youth movement. I'm pretty certain that was the first one. I can't remember exactly what year it was in. I remember a couple of incidents that when we came down Cheapside and turned into town centre towards Town Hall, I think not just one, more than one. Few of the police officers were trying to pick out certain people, and they had, because I had leather gloves on, and we were young, and it was quite aggressive, and they started sort of closing in, and although we were told to stay in fours, but we were the stewards as well, let's say, on the outside, and they were sort of pushing and shoving people around, and we just, at that moment in time, we told everybody to stay calm, but keep shouting, don't worry, and the whole town actually echoed, and they had to step back, and because it was organized so well, it was at that time that we realized, yes, they are. If we keep to our lines, and if we keep to our side of, I mean, they didn't want, I think it might have been somebody walked into one of the bollards, and the police tried to grab him. I think it was me, actually, but I was pulled away, straight away. But they couldn't grab anybody because there was that much intense pressure on them. And there were loads of incidents on the way. Loads of people were shouting back at us and abusing us, and the more they did that, and the more we felt that we were achieving something, and we showed them how we felt. And it was like, at the end of the day, it was an achievement. And that was the biggest, well, at that time, I think that was probably the biggest campaign that we did.